This is a unboxing video, and here we are unboxing the FORTNITE scar, and it's FORTNITE, and it's a nerf gun. So we are gonna open it. And
cut that out.
Here is a big, huge scar. I think you could get a smaller one, but yeah, this is the one I have. Directions. Who needs directions? And we have the whatever this thing is called, local magazine. I don't know. So let's start opening this.
Oh.
Alright. We have the scar. Oh god, this is heavy.
Can I feel it? I mean, ooh.
Oh yeah. Here's the bullets. Alright, so how are we gonna put this in? Just like that. Nice. Alright. So I think. Oh, we have this. I think it's better for aiming if you are bad. But I'm definitely gonna need this because I am bad at aiming. So looks like it is an auto. So let's get the batteries. Alright guys, let's put the batteries in. It looks like it's good. Oh, you hear that?
Oh no. Do not shoot me.
How to get this thing out?
Jordan.
Huh?
Just shoot me 2 times. I will let you do it.
Alright guys, let's have to fill this magazine thing filled with ammo.
Oh jeez.
Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. Ah. Just filled.
That was long. Oh jeez. Okay, just shoot me one time. One time, okay?
Oh, we got the jam area here. No jams here. Let's see.
Oh no. Don't you dare.
Guys, be careful.
Oh jeez.
Oh.
Okay, that looks like it's gonna hurt.
No, it's not gonna hurt.
Oh yeah, just shoot me in the leg. Shoot me in the leg. Okay, that doesn't hurt. That doesn't hurt.
Out of batteries already?
Whoa. What?
Already? Hold on. What? Gone? Wait. Well, guys, the batteries wasn't that good, but at least we got the unboxing done, and I think that is it for the video. It's kind of short, but I give this gun. I'm gonna rate this gun 10 out of 10. It shoots fast. Oh, now it shoots fast.
Okay, now it works.
Yeah. Oh no, there was just a jam.
Oh.
Luckily, you have a jam hole here, so that gives it extra bonus points there.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's.
I give it like 11. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fun. Even though I only used it for 2 seconds, I'm definitely gonna use it even more.
Should they rate it? Should they rate it too?
Yeah, rate it down in the comments.
Okay, I rate it like a 10 out of 10.
Nice. you wonder where I got this, it was from my birthday. My birthday was April 24th is my birthday, so sing me happy birthday down in the comments if you even bother. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and see more videos. I play games like Roblox, and yeah.
Yeah,
From the background, you could probably tell I'm a gamer. Bye, guys.